Hello friends, in this video we'll be learning about the HTML only, okay, which is the HTML thing. So in last video we did all this, okay. So now we'll be doing in detail with this paragraph, okay, like how to make a italic thing and underline, strike, okay, the sub and sub. With that we'll be working, okay. So let's get started with that. So yeah, so in previous video we have done this. If you have not watched this video, please go to previous video and check out how we are working with the basic structure of this HTML, okay. So guys, now I'm going to do with this, so I'll just remove this little things. Yeah guys, so let's start with this, and let me just remove this break statements. Okay, so this is the thing. Now let's refresh, and remove this. I don't want it to be in center, so I just unuse it, okay. Yeah, so guys, like I want the funda to be italic thing, okay. So to make that funda italic, you should, if you are there is a paragraph, okay. So in your paragraph you want to make this funda as italic, you have to use just simple thing, that is I, okay. So just take it I inside the paragraph. If you are taking inside the paragraph itself, then only it will show you italic. If you are taking in order or unordered list, it will not show you, okay. So what is order list and unordered list, you will be learning in next video, okay. So I'll just save this and refresh it. See here guys, so the funda has been italic, okay. And now I'll tell you, yeah, so I'll give one more thing over here. I'll just break the line, okay, and I'll just show you that hey, what are you doing, okay. So I'll just do this doing, I will strike, okay. Oops, sorry, not strike, I will underline it, okay. So let's refresh first, okay guys. So this is the thing now, and yeah, I'll just give one break here statement here. Oops. Yeah, so here it is, this is the line, right. So I'm going to underline this doing, okay. So just you have to do one thing, that just put in it into a tag u, okay. So this u should be into a tag, okay guys. So for that, just put it inside this, the word which you want to underline, just put that, save it, refresh it. So guys, can you see that there is a doing underline? So if you want to strike, just use strike, okay. So I'll give br. The br is used for break statement, okay, break the line. So I'll use now strike. I want this teaching to be striked out, okay. So just use strike, strike, okay. Let's use strike and put it over here, refresh. See here guys, so now teachings have been striked, okay. So this is the thing now, like, and next thing which I am going to teach is that that is what you will say, that yeah, upper thing, okay. That this teaching will take this, okay. I'll take this web. So web, this is web. Now I want this web to be at topper, at the little upper, okay. So for that, I'll break this line, it's not more clear. Yeah, so I will take this web at top, okay. So for that, let's do here, yeah. So mention, open the tag and close the tag. Inside the tag you have to put su up, okay, sub, and close the sub. Okay guys, now just refresh. See, the web has been moved to top thing. Okay, so if you want the same thing with that bottom case, you can use same thing. Okay, I'll give one more break statement for that so it may be clear. So see here guys, now it is sub, right? Just make it sub, sub. Okay, just b. Yeah, so just change it with this. Okay, sub, save it and just refresh. See here guys, now you have come to know how the paragraph works. So this is all about paragraph thing. Okay guys, so you have learned how to, like, a basic thing inside the paragraph, how to do with that. If you want to make it bold, just use strong. Okay, so you can, I'll show you over here this. Okay, first thing, not there. Yeah, so I'll be using with this. Okay, over this teaching, so I'll make it strong. First I'll just make a break statement over here so it may be clear to, yeah, so I'm going to make this as bold. Okay, just use strong, strong, and close the tag. Just cut and paste it after that teaching, so inside that word, just refresh, so you can see the boldness. Okay, so this is about strong. Okay, that is boldness. So guys, now we'll be learning that the div. Okay, so nowadays in HTML5 and all, we'll be using div. Okay, so this is a basic thing, so just use div and end of div. Okay, so this is a block level statement where we don't use br to break the line. Okay, if you are typing anything inside this, like example, funda of web IT is done by Ved Prakash. Okay, so this thing now, I'll just copy it, paste it. Yeah, so now it is doing this, right? So after this it should, I'll just mention this one more thing over here. Yeah, so I just mentioned three things, right? So 3 div, 1, 2 and the third. Okay, so let's just check out. See guys, so it is difference, right? So this is one part, second part, third part. Okay, so it is going below it. Okay, so just if you want to make it like the spacings and all, you can use CSS for this. CSS is all about like styling and designing, so we'll not go to that thing, just we are learning the basics still. So after this basics, we can move to that CSS, how we are using. So I'll just give break statement, br statement, break line. So yeah, so guys, this is how we give div statement. We use the div thing. If you want to give this div, okay, you can give class or id, whatever. Okay, so in this we use class and id. For the class is for CSS and id also is for CSS. You can use it. Okay, so if you'll be learning later about CSS and all, so I'll just learn this basics things. Yeah guys, like you want to break the line over here, just do it break. Okay, just use, open your tag and close the tag, type br between that, just use it and refresh. See here, it has been breaked. Okay, if you want to break the next line, just use with that, open the tag, type br and close the tag. Okay, so it has been breaked. So this is how we use all this in basics of HTML. You'll be learning like images and all, images, table, under list, unordered list and all in the next video which is available. So guys, in this video that's it, and thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like the video, share the video. Thank you once again guys.